If you want to close more deals and improve your sales results, Pipedrive gives you the tools to make it happen. In this guide, I'll show you how to improve sales performance using Pipedrive step by step. First, make sure your sales pipeline is properly organized. Keep your stages simple, like new lead, contacted, proposal, and closed. A clean pipeline makes it easier to track progress. Next, focus on adding high-quality leads. Don't just add every contact. Make sure your leads are relevant and have real potential to convert into deals. To improve performance, track every interaction. Add calls, meetings, emails, and follow-ups so nothing falls through the cracks. Pipedrive automation can handle repetitive tasks for you. Set up workflows like sending reminders or creating follow-up tasks when deals move stages. Use reports to understand what's working and what's not. Track revenue, conversion rates, and deal progress to improve your strategy. Not all deals are equal. Focus more time on high-value opportunities that are more likely to close and bring in higher revenue. Timing matters in sales. Use activities and reminders to follow up at the right time so leads don't go cold. If you're working with a team, make sure everyone is aligned. Share updates, assign deals properly, and keep communication clear inside Pipedrive. And that's how to improve sales performance with Pipedrive. So with the right setup and consistent tracking, you can close more deals and grow faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.